Hey team, JT Accessible here. Today we're going to talk about conversion options in Excel 2016 for Windows. Here's our sample spreadsheet. Excel is giving us the all clear and the accessibility checker. However, when we convert it to PDF, all of a sudden we have regularity and headers issues. Now we can use AutoTag to fix that and adjust it, and that's certainly possible, but why are you getting these errors in the first place? Let's go into the tags panel, right click, show in tags, and then we'll expand one of the tables open and see right here. It's counting this pretty much is the title information, but it's counting that as part of the table, and then it just doesn't have the requisite numbers of cells as the real table does. So you'd have to compensate for all that. Same thing down here with all these footnotes. This also gets counted as part of the table, and it's not equal as far as regularity is concerned. So that's what's occurring. And you could fix that with AutoTag, but let me show you a better way. Go back to your sample document and say on one of the tables, this is a nice feature right here in the Home tab. Just use Format as Table, and then you just select the entire table area. Format as table, just pick one, and then you just drag across the area of the real table, and then say my table has headers. Make sure to check that, hit OK. Now it's entered as a table data, and then you would take that table, as I've already done here, and just copy and paste it into a Word document. And now you can enter the information. The table's in there already. Plus you can enter all the other information, such as the title and all these footnotes, as either captions or headings. It's just a lot easier to work with inside a Word document than it is an Excel document. Right here, all the footings are in as a list, so it's going to pick those up correctly as well. And then when you convert from there, like so, you don't get any of that. Everything's all clear for you. So just keep that in mind. When you're converting, you don't have to stick with Excel as your sole conversion. You can actually use the entire Microsoft Office suite. You can copy and paste that into Word, into PowerPoint, whatever's going to work best for you, and then just work from there.